Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2005 Bluebird All-American. This is a 78 passenger school bus, 8.3 liter Cummins Allison combo, 38 feet bumper to bumper. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. All right, coming on inside, we have an air-operated bifold passenger entry door, brown ribbed aisleway, stepway, white step nosing, and a grab rail coming on in. Gonna go over the driver area here. Driver's seat upholstery looking great. No big rips, cuts, tears, anything like that. Looks good going all the way up and down. Going from right to left, we have your Allison automatic transmission shift pad here. Down here we got your heater controls, booster pump, driver heater, defrost, all that. Does have cruise control for those long nights on the road. The odometer is in op, so give us a call if you have a question on the mileage. High idle switch down here, all your dome lights, wipers, auxiliary fans, number 1 and number 2. And then down here we got your power mirrors. Power mirrors right there, and they're also heated. That's that switch right there, and that's both top and bottom on both sides. And then up here we have a Panasonic AM FM CD stereo with a PA mic jack as well. All right, coming to the back here. So, as I said, 78 passenger school bus, 78 passengers. That is 3 kids to a seat, equipped with your standard brown bench style seating, brown vinyl covers. Seat covers from first glance look really good. I mean, you'll see a few patch jobs here and there, but look at the backs of these seats. There's no holes, no foam sticking out, anything like that. We have an emergency exit door on the rear passenger side, emergency exit door more towards the middle on the driver's side. 2 emergency roof hatches, some speakers zigzagging their way down the aisle, and dome lights going down the center of the aisle. All right, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. Front tires on this. Front tires are looking nice and meaty there. Good tread right there. Looking good. Give you a shot of the frame, not a rusty bus by any means. All right, gonna show you the pass-through underfloor storage. Something most people want. Give you a shot of that. Nice 2 big bay doors here. We'll show you the rear passenger side duals. Nice shot of underneath. All right, you're not gonna be able to hear me, so I'll tell you back here, this is powered by the big boy, the Cummins 8.3 liter turbo diesel engine paired with the Allison MD3060 automatic transmission. Coming around on the driver's side here, skirts looking nice and straight going down, looking beautiful. I'm going to show you the rear driver's side duals here, also looking good. A nice shot of underneath. Here's what the underfloor storage looks like when it's closed. Nice big 2 bays there. And I'm going to give you another shot of the frame right here, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Not a rusty bus by any means. Looking beautiful. And last but not least, we have your front driver's side tire. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com. or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.